Here we have the Ford Fiesta Z-Tech on a 14 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run for a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So although the Fiesta isn't known to be a large car, it benefits from a fantastic amount of boot space and that 60/40 split folding rear seat as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through some controls. But now that I've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I hop in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge appears in the middle at the bottom, and then above that you'll see the trip computer, including the total miles on this car, which are 12,610. You can change the information that's displayed up there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk should you need to. If we move out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you pair up a phone, press that button in the middle and you'll be able to dial anyone in your contacts list without pushing any other buttons or without touching your phone, which is obviously important. In the centre here is where we set the phone up. So first of all, in terms of the radio, you'll see we've got FM, a couple of different FM frequencies, AM as well, and then we can also listen to music via the CD player. This car's also got an auxiliary and USB input, which I'll show you in a moment, and you can select those by pushing the buttons on the stereo. And you can also listen to music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. The buttons I was just using are on here. So you've got the CD player at the top of that section. Radio will take us from AM to FM. Auxiliary will go through the auxiliary, USB and Bluetooth audio. And phone is where you pair up a phone, and also you can make phone calls should you not want to use the voice activation. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable with the left hand dial, temperature on the right hand dial, direction of the air. Then simply hit the AC button to turn the air conditioning on or off. And with this being a Ford, it's got a heated front screen as well, which is just there. This button here will turn off the stop and start on the car. So the car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you wish to turn that off, you can do. Just push that button there and it won't cut out once you've done that. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox, and then the 12-volt charging socket along with the USB and auxiliary input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to give any of our MJA sites a call. We'd love to hear from you soon.